Well, day 25 of my 3D print shop remodel.
Welcome to 3D Accuracy, where I'll talk about 3D printing, 3D product design, and 3D injection and die-cast mold design.
Today, we might lay some floor. Let me show you. I have most of the shop emptied out, except the desk and a couple odd things, big machine in the corner, and I've got plenty of room to work to lay some floor today. The only thing I have to do first is I want to put a second coat of black gloss paint on this pole. It's marginal, could use it, not 100% necessary, but I thought, let's do it before we start laying floor, get it done. So I've moved some more things out of here. I got it pretty well emptied out. I can go all the way over, well, more than half of the shop. I can get the floor down. So I want to finish this painting, and then I have to do a little bit more vacuuming around this area over here where I moved a few things. I got to move that pile of flooring over across the other side of the shop so it's out of the way, and then wash the floor. When that dries, then I have to put a prep down. I have to paint a prep on the floor, and after that dries, then I've got to do the chalk lines so I know where the center of the room is, somewhere right over here. And once I get the lines down, then I can start laying the flooring. So exciting day. I've been waiting for this day for, I don't know, it seems like a long time, but it's actually been a couple of months, but I don't get out here, for long periods of time. I get a couple hours here, a couple hours there, a day here, a day there. I may get to do the entire day today. I got all the watering for all the fruit trees and vegetables and all that stuff is taken care of, so I can ignore that for one day and try to get this floor down. Time to get to work. I got to get this done. Another late evening. That's how it goes sometimes. That's how it goes. Let me show you what I've gotten accomplished. Well, I decided to move those three machines over there, move them over a little bit. Got all the desk out of the way over there in the corner with the printer. I got all the floor planks moved over to the other side of the shop. I'll show you where those are. I have those right here lined up against the wall. And I got them all numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, blah, 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 all the way up to 24. That way, when I put the planks down, I'll know where I'm at. I'll pick one from each box as I go along. So I'll do, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, all the way towards the wall, and then repeat. And stagger it in the next row so that I don't end up with planks from the same box in close proximity. Mixes them up, makes the floor look better. Also, this entire end of the shop, all the way from this expansion joint, all the way to the wall, from the back to the front, except for this little corner here and that little corner back there where I have those things, that's all been washed 3 times. I washed the floor. It kept pulling up dirt, so I washed it 3 times to make sure I had all the crud up. Now tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll coat it with the prep material, and I'll show you what that is tomorrow when I do that. And then after that dries, takes about, hour and a half, 2 hours for it to dry, then I can start laying the planks, lay the floor. So I want to get it so that I've got this whole area over here done, and I can get all the printers and all the equipment, everything put in place so that I can use the machines this week. And then I'll just gradually work in this direction after that. It has been a long afternoon. I didn't get started until, what time did I start? I started early today, about 10:30. Stopped for lunch, stopped for dinner, had to do a couple other little odd things, but got quite a long day in. And as you can see, the clock on the wall says what time? 11:15, 11:20. So
I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're ever in need of 3D product design, 3D injection mold design, 3D die-cast mold design, or 3D printed prototypes or production parts, please feel free to contact me. You can find contact information in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and to being of service to you. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you on 3D Accuracy's next video.